Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Jem Yinjoy, the creator of the Microbe Whisperer cards and guidebook. I am here to give a voice to the trillions of microscopic beasts that keep our planet and our bodies clean. I hold a PhD in research microbiology, so I know a lot about microbes. These tiny creatures include viruses, bacteria, yeast, and protozoa. While you may know about animal spirit guides like eagle, bear, and dolphin, microbe spirit guides are not so easy to learn from without a microscope. I have studied them, and I have connected with them in the lab and in nature and spiritually. I know their habitats and how they survive. I have worked with a wide variety of microbes, from those that clean up toxic waste to those that help cows digest plants. All of these microbes have metabolic superpowers that allow them to live in all kinds of difficult environments with ease. And they can teach us many lessons about survival. As an intuitive microbiologist, I act as a channel for these tiniest of animal guides and share their wisdom. Every week, I'll be performing a short version of a Who's Your Microbe reading. I will draw a card from my Microbe Whisperer Oracle deck and tell you what wisdom it has to share with you. Then I will play an excerpt from my audiovisual self-paced class about the Microbe Spirit Guide of the week. You may purchase this class, the cards, books, and readings from my Etsy shop, and the information is in the description below. So, let's shuffle the cards and find out who's your microbe for this week. Hi there, aspiring microbe whisperers. These are my Microbe Whisperer Oracle cards. There are 44 of them, and they are organized into 4 suits: the loops, the petri dishes, the pipettes, and the microfuge tubes. Take card number 6 from the Pastor Pipette suit and set it in front of you. Magnetospirillum magnetotacticum, magnetic bacteria. Magnetotacticum is a member of a class of bacteria, magnetotactic, which means they move towards magnets. And they use internal magnetite crystals to swim towards a magnetic pole. They can be isolated from the sediment-water interface in many freshwater environments. Magnetic bacteria package the magnetite crystals into compartments called magnetosomes. These crystals are cuboidal and octahedral, and they look like beads on a string along the linear axis of the cell. They act like a compass for the cells to allow them to efficiently detect and migrate along the Earth's geomagnetic gradient. This movement towards magnetic pole is called magnetotaxis, and microbiologists hypothesize that magnetotaxis might also help the bacteria find their optimum growth conditions. And Magnetotacticum is not the only organism that houses ferromagnetite crystals inside its body. Many more complex organisms create these magnetic crystals, including humans. In fact, humans have a bit of ferromagnetite inside their noses. It is curious that the expression "follow your nose" is used to advise someone to choose the right direction to go. Since ferromagnetic crystals do create a magnetic compass for bacteria, perhaps that expression was intuitively fostered by us mammals, not because we were using our sense of smell, but maybe because the ancient mystics recognized that our own ferromagnetite crystals would help us find true north. Following your nose to find your personal true north is one of many spiritual lessons from this microbe guide. Learn more about M. magnetotacticum in your guidebook. Thank you for watching.
This entire self-paced audiovisual class on how to use your Microbe Whisperer Oracle cards, which includes 4 full readings, my card deck, and guidebook, are all available on Etsy. You can book a short reading from me on Etsy, but for in-person readings, you can find that instruction on my website at microbewhisperer.com or look in the description below. Be well and joyful, and I'll be back next week with another Microbe Spirit Guide card.